Welcome to the Atomy India Compensation Plan presentation, hosted by the Atomy Hyderabad ATM Education Center. Atomy offers no joining or annual fees, weekly payouts, lifetime accumulated personal PV, third generation inheritance, and a company-hosted success system. Atomy promotes equal opportunities for all and fosters a culture of sharing among its members. Explore the Atomy India website at www.atomy.com for more information. A mobile app is also available for your convenience. Atomy provides various types of benefits including retail profit, general commission, mastership bonus, mastership promotion and incentives, and education commission. Let's dive into the different types of commissions. Retail profit, general commission, mastership bonus, mastership promotion and incentives, and education commission. Distributors can earn up to 25% by selling Atomy products at MRP. Here's an example of how retail profit works. Dealership classification is based on personal purchase and group PV, ranging from sales rep to exclusive distributor. The general commission structure is based on dealership grade and daily performance, with commissions paid out in INR. General commissions are calculated daily and paid out weekly, ensuring timely rewards for your efforts. Mastership bonuses account for 20% of total sales PV of the company, distributed among various mastership levels. Mastership bonuses are distributed among achievers across 7 levels, from Sales Master to Imperial Master. Special agents with a minimum of 15,000 group PV under each leg can earn an additional benefit of approximately Rs 12,500. Promotion terms include achieving previous mastership levels and maintaining continuous position for higher ranks. Mastership bonuses are paid out twice a month, on the 22nd of the same month and the 7th of the next month. Sales Masters receive incentives including Atomy Hemohim, Atomy Skincare System The Fame, and Atomy Evening Care. Diamond Masters receive INR 40,000 in cash, along with Atomy Hemohim, Atomy Skincare System The Fame, and Atomy Evening Care. Sharon Rose Masters receive INR 120,000 in cash and 2 tour packages for 3 nights and 4 days. Star Masters receive INR 600,000 in cash and 4 tour packages for 3 nights and 4 days. Royal Masters receive INR 30,000 in cash, sponsorship money, car rental fees, and 4 tour packages for 10 nights and 11 days. Achieving the Crown Master level comes with incredible rewards, including INR 180,000 in cash, sponsorship money of INR 300,000, a luxury car, and a 4-packs tour package for 10 nights and 11 days. Reaching the Imperial Master level offers even greater incentives, such as INR 600,000 in cash, sponsorship money of INR 600,000, office space with an assistant, a luxury car with a driver, and a 4-packs tour package for 10 nights and 11 days. 6% of a center's total PV is allocated to cover operational expenses. The Hyderabad ATM Education Center is located in Matru Srinagar, Miyapur, near the metro station. For more details, contact 95052266. Consistency and duplication are key to earning 50 lakhs in 1 year. By sponsoring 2 new members every 2 weeks and duplicating this process, you can achieve significant financial success. Increase your personal PV to 24,000 and refer 2 members to earn 23,786 monthly. Follow the core activities daily for fast success and achieve a monthly income of 500,000 plus. The Atomy 864 system is a success formula that includes setting goals, choosing the right mentor, following the Atomy system, using Atomy products, and achieving time and financial freedom. Thank you for your attention. For more information, visit YouTube Vashupamidi.